So here you have the Wansview security camera, and in this video, I'm going to go over everything that you receive with your purchase, and then a quick demo of what the app looks like in action, so you know exactly what to expect when your camera arrives. But here's what you get. So you get the camera itself, super small, about the size of your hand, the solar panel, same thing, small, and then you're going to get the mounting gear, and that's very easy. They give you the stuff to do it. They give you the screws. They give you kind of the aim, so you can put this on your wall. We're going to screw it in and drill it. And then they're also going to give you some stickers too. So I think these are like 24-hour security stickers. So maybe if you're a business, you're putting this at your back door, just something if you are using it for security, this just lets them know that, hey, you're getting recorded at this moment, which is very, very nice. And then as for the charging cables, so you can do this two ways. Now I normally use a solar panel because with the solar panel, you literally just plug in the solar panel, make sure it gets some sunlight, and you never have to worry about the battery. It's going to go months, 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 never have to charge it. Now, if you don't want the solar panel, or maybe you're not in a position to use the solar panel, you can charge it normally, and this is just like a standard phone charger that you plug into the camera. And now I have used these without the solar panel on there, and they last, I would say, it depends on a lot of things, but maybe 4 to 6 weeks, you should be good. So basically, it'd be like once every maybe month and a half, you would have to charge it. Now it does matter if it's seeing a lot of motion. If you're recording longer videos, obviously that's going to make the battery last a little bit shorter. But still, I put mine outside. It's getting motion alerts all the time. I'm in a cold weather place, and I still see this lasting, like I said, 4 to 6 weeks for sure. And I would say more towards the 6 weeks. So once every month and a half, maybe charge it, and you're good to go. But I'm going to set this up, and I'll show you what the app looks like here in 1 second.
Okay, so we got the camera set up. Just gonna show you what that app looks like. So this is what the app is gonna look like. We can click on here, we'll get a live stream, 2K high resolution, so you'll be able to see everything nice and clearly for you. We can go full screen. And there you go. So there's a bunch of cool features as well too that I do wanna show off here. So one of them is a talk mode. So if somebody's at your front door, maybe your friend, you wanna tell them, hey, it's unlocked, come on in. You can press this button here and it'll be a two-way talk, kind of walkie-talkie type thing. So doors unlocked, come on in. And they can talk back to you and you can have a conversation. Other than that, they also have a siren on here. So maybe it's in your business, your front door, somebody's there that you don't want. You can hit that siren button and it'll start going off. And you can also have that triggered by motion too. So if you do want some time where it sees motion, it puts a siren off, it can do that. So there's a bunch of different things here. You got lights on it, off it. So a bunch of really, really cool features that you can use with this camera.
And here's an example of the siren in motion detection mode. If you are curious to see what it looks at night, this is going to be the night vision on it. So they do just have your standard night vision. That's going to be black or white. Otherwise, they do have a pretty cool option here where you can actually have a color night vision. And now what this does is you can easily toggle it right here. This probably will take up a little more battery than the other one because the light will turn on, but you'll see here in a second, it may be worth it for you. So now this is going to be the light or color night vision. So this is just like it's daylight out. You can see, the pimples on my face. So depending on what you want and how your battery life wants to be, you should be able to find a night vision mode that works well for you. Okay, and how to use the app is actually pretty cool. So here's me what it looks like. So you can have a alert for every motion that you get, and how that works is when it does detect motion, it'll send you an alert and go back and see it. Right now I do have the push notifications as you saw there. So if you get one, you can go into it and check it out. And now this is gonna be what all those look like. So if you wanna click on something, so let's say around 11:30, it caught some motion, you can go on it. Now you can download this, you can share it with somebody, you can delete it. You can do all that stuff. And how you actually toggle this and make sure you're not getting too much or too many, it's totally customizable for you. And what you wanna do then is just go to your home page, click this button here, and now we can go through all the different settings. So for that motion detection, personally, I just do the power save mode, but you can do as much as you want. As you can see here, that one's gonna do near distance, low sensitivity, but if you want more, you can do standard or performance mode. So it's totally up to you. As much as you want to do, as much notifications as you want, you can get, and they're going to save free on the cloud for 2 days for you. And if you want the alerts to go to your phone, you're just going to click that motion alert and you can enable it. And what's cool too is you can do different times. So maybe you only want to get alerts, when you're at work,
you can enable it to do that and set a schedule for it. Otherwise, you can have it go 24/7. And now for the different storage options of this. So you can do a local SD card that you just put in the bottom. The requirements of that is going to be a FAT32 format, 8 gig to 128 gig. Now that's going to be perfect for if you're looking to do longer videos, you want to record more, stuff like that. Maybe if you're in a business and you need those longer videos, you may want to go the SD card way. They don't provide it, but like I said, that's the requirements. You need that FAT32 format, 8 gigabyte to 128 gigabyte. And the other storage you can do, now personally, this is the way that I go. So you can do just a free cloud storage. Personally, that's all I need. You're gonna get 48 hours worth of the video saved that you can always just go check on in your alerts. They're 10-second clips. That's all I want. That's all I need. But you can do more as well. All you gotta do is click that cloud button and you can subscribe to different plans. Now this is totally up to you. Personally, the free version is enough for me, but if you need a little bit more, probably more for like a business type situation, you can subscribe and get whatever you need. And then they'll keep the clips like a minute long, unlimited storage, just store it up to 30 days for you. So it does get to be pretty expansive. So overall, I'm super happy with this camera. I think it's perfect for some easy home security or business security. I love the 2K video quality, the different alerts you can get, the recording options. If you want to have an SD card and save a lot of videos, you can do that. Otherwise, you can just use that free version. So this really covers all the bases for me. I'm very happy with it. I give it 2 thumbs up.